I look really cool. Actually, I need to registry. Mom, will you find a nice big place to let it dry? Sure thing. Only I could look like this in real life.
That's how you look to me, Milo.
Now let's find a nice place to dry this. I think right here on the bench is best. We'll lie it down in the shade.